Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Myself Dvedi P, tarot card reader, astrologer, neurologist, Reiki healer, aura cleaner, face reader, palm reader. Today topic is how will be your July month according your sun sign Aries to Pisces. Let's start. This is collective reading. Let's start. Aries. This month the focus will be on home comfort and emotional matters. Both with family members seems to grow stronger and peaceful. Time must be cherished at home. A renovation or change of living space may have just crossed your mind. Choose tender words when speaking with your mother because minor misunderstanding can spoil the mood. Work may seem a little tiring, so patience is required. Keep your heart open to receiving emotional support from your loved one. Taking short break or visiting your hometown can bring a lot of peace. Health needs care mostly for the stomach or chest. Radhe Radhe. Now pull card for Taurus. This is an ideal time for effective communication. The month of July will be quite active, so be prepared to make bold decisions. You will speak with much confidence so that everyone will pay attention. Siblings or neighbors may be of great importance this month. Try to maintain harmony. It is also a great time for journey and learning new skills. Small pieces of news will come to you that will bring happiness and open a new doorway to explore. Energy will support you, but don't rush. Maintain a balanced approach in both words and action. Keep faith in your abilities. Your hard work shall earn recognition this month. Thank you for Taurus Radharani. Now let's pull card for Gemini. This month is focused on your speech, financial matter and family concern. You might feel an urge to speak your truth and share your views. However, do that kindly as gentle words will touch the heart. Finances will improve through slowly, so don't risk something that you have not thought through. You will cherish family value and take up an important responsibility at home. Minor problem may bother your throat or teeth, hence take special care. Eat light and avoid cold food. Your self-respect will rise, or overall July will bring growth in inner strength and improvement in your image in the eyes of your family. Thank you Radharani for Gemini. Let's pull card for Cancer. This will be a month when you will be highly charged. You will feel a willingness to tackle just about every challenge. You will shine and your presence will be appreciated, but be sure not to get too egoistic or stringent towards others. Take care of yourself, especially your head and eyes. Avoid anger and drink enough water. This is the time to embrace leadership and establish new plan. If used well, This energy will lead you to success. If used to argue, it can damage your reputation. Try to balance what comes out of your mouth and what you do. Respect elders and accept their advice. July empowers one with a lot of strength. Stay humbly strong. Thank you, Radharani. Let's pull card for Leo. July brings a time of inner reflection and rest. You will be inclined to solitude or just peaceful silence. This is a good time to exclude anything that does not serve you growth. Concentrate on your spiritually and do something soothing for your mind. Disturbed sleep or heavy thoughts would be common, so keep your mind peaceful. Avoid being a spender or anything you don't need. Traveling to far places or engaging in any kind of secret work will yield positive result. Health requires gentle care, so avoid over exertion. Sometimes we don't need to act loudly, we just have to be quiet and surrender, and then growth will follow. Thank you, Radharani, for Leo. Now let's pull card for Virgo. July is lovely month, and for your wishes and social connection, you may receive support from friends, parent, and individual in high position. If you are wondering about the present,
सीधा करो उल्टा
रीडिंग चल रही है तो चुप रहो. जुलाई इज लवली मंथ. अरे यार, रीडिंग करने तो डिस्टर्ब नहीं करो, दूसरा ले जाओ.
ये दूसरा
July is lovely month for your business and social connection. You may receive support from friends, parents, or individual in high position. If you are wondering about the present result that should have unfolded from anything you might have done, be ready to receive reward now. July will thus bring more opportunity for group activities or teamwork. Keep positive thoughts and stay clear on your goals. You will be more respected within your circle, so treat everyone with kindness and maturity. This is a good time to make plan tied to long term.
हम तो सीधा कर रहे हैं ये
हटो, रीडिंग करने तो क्या कर रहे हो?
करे तो नहीं हम तो
डिस्टर्ब नहीं करो. ये पढ़ेंगे तभी तो. रीडिंग करने तो कर लेने दो विष्णु, फिर तुम्हारे साथ खेलेंगे. तुम तब तक कुछ और खेल लो जाके. हाँ, खेल लो जाके पापा के पास. सॉरी, घर में छोटा बच्चा है, वो डिस्टर्ब कर रहा था, सो डोंट माइंड एवरीवन. This is a good time to make plans tied to your long term and aspiration. Stay honest. Stay honest in your intention, and this month will see your hope take space. Radhe Radhe. Now let's pull card for Libra. This month your career and public image will string brightly. You would begin to take their duties and goals seriously, since they will be the focus of attention. Be clear and responsible there are good chances of becoming known and famous. Just don't carry ego or confidence with you. More work pressure would be beneficial, but your focus effort will bring success. This would be the ideal time to assume new responsibility and take on the mantle of leadership. Don't forget to maintain a balance between home and work, as both will be vying for their share. Be strong and polite. July is your month to rise. Just remain grounded while you climb. Thank you, Radharani, for Libra. Scorpio, July is a time of spiritual learning for you. The mind you may seek to explore some new knowledge, beliefs, or journey. If you face confusion, seek help from your teacher or elder. Travel even when grief can open up new paths for you. Maintain faith in a higher power as divine support remains strong. His month luck may favor you if you take the right action. Avoid arguing for your belief or to showcase your knowledge. It's time to put aside trivial matter and view life from a broader perspective. If you accept what is given to you and move forward with honesty, blessing will come your way. Thank you, Radharani. Now Sagittarius turn. This month is about deep transformation and hidden metals coming into focus. There may be emotional up and down accompanied by moments when you stray from your sense of balance. Old fear of secret may resurface. It's important to confront them, as doing so will strengthen your inner resilience. This is an especially good time to explore spiritually matter, to delve into hidden mysteries. You might also need to address financial issues related to inheritance or shared assets. Be cautious when making decisions that involve risks to your finance or health. Take care of your body, particularly regarding your well-being. Engaging in meditation or prayer can help keep your mind steady. Thank you, Sagittarius. Thank you, Radharani. Now Capricorn turn. This month your attention will be focused on relationship and partnership. Need to catch the glance of greater attention and respect in marriage or business dealing with manifest itself. Don't close communication with your partner. Ambiguities may arise if ego gets in the way. The time is ripe for polishing your public image and enhancing your interaction with individuals. Some new proportion may drop into your lap. Read all the fine print in it. If you are single, you can expect a meaningful connection to enter your life. It's essential to respect the perspective of others and refrain from dominating conversation. In July, you will learn the value of equal relationship. Remember, it's about being together, not about being ahead or behind each other. Thank you, Radharani, for Capricorn. Now Aquarius turn. Let's pull card for Aquarius. This month requires you to stay alert and disciplined. Health, work, and daily routine will be point of concern. There you may feel a lots of pressure at the workplace. However, your zeal will be enough to bolster your spirit. Avoid growing argument with co-worker and stay clear of Office politics, small health issue related to digestion or acidity may trouble you, so pay attention to your diet and get enough rest. If you dealing with loans or legal matter, now is the time to be strategic. You might also want to confront of hidden adversary or address a long standing issue. July empowers you to tackle challenge, but this strength can only be harnessed if you remain steady and calm. Approach difficulties with wisdom rather than anger. Thank you, Radha Rani. Now Pisces turn. Let's pull card for Pisces. Queen of Wands. The creative world is showering you with its ray of love and learning this month. You may find increased joy and stronger urge to express your diverse abilities. Student, artist, mentor, or performers will be happy to become this period. Children should receive a little more attention, even though their presence will uplift your spirit. If love is in the air, romance can heighten. You steer clear of any ego clashes. Investment should be approached with caution. Ensure all terms are fully understood. Just keep listening to your gut, but don't make any rush and impetus. Clean. Ufo. Clean heart. Keep your mind free and open, for this month will reward you for being sincere, straightforward, and grateful. Thank you, Radha Rani, for Pisces. Please do more, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Support, guys. Radhe Radhe.